Everyone thinks the best-selling digital torque wrench is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, LEXIVON Torque Wrench. The LEXIVON Torque Wrench is an impressive tool that caught my attention with its solid build and precision. Priced at $57.04, it's positioned as a reliable option for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. If you want dependable accuracy without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This torque wrench is engineered for superior precision, shipping pre-calibrated to plus 4% accuracy. That means every time you use it, you can trust that you're getting the right amount of torque, which is essential to avoid over-tightening and damaging your projects. Plus, with a durable chrome molybdenum alloy steel construction, it's built to last and can handle the demands of tough jobs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The reinforced ratchet gear head ensures maximum strength, so you won't need to replace it anytime soon, saving you money in the long run. Now, some people complained about the weight as it comes in at 3 pounds. Here's the thing though, while it might feel a bit heavier, that extra weight contributes to its sturdiness and durability. If you're looking for something ultralight, this might not be for you, but if you want a reliable tool that can take a beating, it's definitely worth considering. This is perfect for you if you're a mechanic or someone who frequently works on vehicles and values accuracy. Skip this one if you need something lightweight and portable for quick tasks. For the price, you're getting a solid tool that'll last. Now, if the weight of the LEXIVON bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a lighter design. Product number 2, U-Harbor Digital Torque Wrench. The U-Harbor Digital Torque Wrench stands out with its electric features and versatility. Priced at $87.50, this wrench offers a range of 0.6640-429 ft-pounds, making it suitable for various applications. If you want a smart tool that alerts you when you reach the desired torque, this is worth a serious look. This is huge when you're working on delicate components like those on your car or bike. The peak and track modes also allow you to monitor your torque in real time or set a target and get alerts via vibration, buzzer, and LED light when you reach it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can work more efficiently without constantly watching the wrench, which saves time and prevents mistakes. Now, some users did mention the lack of a quick-release socket feature, which can be a hassle. But here's the thing, while it does take a bit longer to change sockets, the accuracy and smart features make it a worthwhile trade-off. If you're not frequently swapping sockets, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a high-tech solution for your mechanical projects. Skip this one if you need rapid socket changes during your work. For the price, it offers a ton of functionality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a wider torque range. Product number 3, SUERCUP Digital Torque Wrench. Next up is the SUERCUP Digital Torque Wrench, which is a bit more advanced and priced at $125.14. It supports a massive torque range of 3.82508 ft-pounds, making it a great choice for heavy-duty applications. If you want a tool that can handle everything from car repairs to DIY projects, this is worth a serious look. With its plus or minus 1% accuracy and colorful large digital display, it's designed for ease of use and visibility even in low-light conditions. The overload protection feature is a real game changer. It vibrates and alerts you if you exceed the preset torque, which prevents damage. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Being able to track your torque in real time ensures your work is not only accurate but also safe. However, some users reported that the instructions could be clearer. I get it, it can be frustrating to figure out a new tool, but once you get the hang of it, the user-friendly interface and features make it worth the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're serious about automotive work or DIY projects. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple, no-frills tool. The price reflects its advanced features, but it's worth it for the serious user. Now, if the learning curve of the SUERCUP caught your attention, the next product is easier to navigate while still offering great results. Product number 4, YIYEIE Digital Torque Wrench. The YIYIE digital torque wrench comes in at $76.08, making it a budget-friendly choice without sacrificing accuracy. It offers a torque range of 599.5 FTLB, which is perfect for most everyday tasks. If you're looking for a reliable yet affordable option, this is worth a serious look. Plus, it has a 5-unit and 3-mode functionality, allowing you to easily switch between settings for different applications. What's impressive is that it can store up to 500 data sets, making it easy to track your work history. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having that data allows you to improve your techniques over time. However, some reviews mention that the auto shutdown feature can be a bit too aggressive, shutting off quicker than expected. Honestly, that can be a bit annoying, especially if you're in the middle of working. But once you get used to it, the accuracy and data tracking make it a good trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a casual user who needs reliable performance without spending too much. Skip this one if you're looking for higher torque capacity for heavy-duty jobs. For the price, it's a fantastic deal for what you get. Alright, that was an impressive budget pick. But for those who want a slightly more advanced option, the last product on my list might catch your eye. Product number 5, UHarbor Advanced Torque Wrench. Finally, we have the UHarbor Advanced Digital Torque Wrench, priced at $114.14. This wrench offers a torquing range of 3.82508 ft-pounds, perfect for a wide variety of applications. If you want a feature-rich tool that doesn't skimp on quality, this is worth a serious look. The dual-direction ratchet makes it super versatile, allowing you to work in tight spaces without hassle. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having multiple modes means you can adjust your approach depending on the job, which saves time and effort. Now, some users have mentioned the weight as a downside, as it weighs about 5.39 pounds. While that is heavier, the sturdiness it provides is hard to overlook. If you're looking for a lightweight option, this might not fit the bill, but for durability and reliability, it's a strong contender. This is perfect for you if you need an all-in-one tool for your car or motorcycle projects. Skip this one if weight is a significant concern for you. Given its features, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about their work. So to sum up, we started with the LEXIVON for its precision, then moved to the UHarbor for its smart tech, SUERCUP for its advanced features, YIYIE for budget friendliness, and finally the UHarbor Advanced for a comprehensive tool. Each one has its strengths, so think about your specific needs before making a choice.